Hi there, welcome back to the Crown Traders. I am Joseph. Today we'll make currency pairs super simple by understanding currency pairs, that is the major, minor, and exotic pairs. At the end of this video, you will have understood what a pair is and the difference between major, minor, and exotic pairs. So let's dive straight into it. Now, what are currency pairs? In Forex, we always trade two currencies at once. They are known as a pair. Example is Euro USD merged together. So when we say Euro USD is equals to 1.1 thousand, it means 1 euro equals 1.10 US dollar. From your left to your right, we have the base currency, that is the first set of the pair, Euro. And then the quote currency, that is the second set of the pair, USD. When you buy the pair, that is take a buy entry position on Euro USD as a pair, you are saying you expect the base pair, which is, in our example, is Euro, to rise. When you sell the pair, Euro USD, you expect the base pair, Euro, to drop. You see? So let's keep learning. So we have three types of pairs, which includes major pairs, minor pairs, and exotic pairs. On the major pairs, they are inclusive of USD, that's the dollar. Examples are Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CHF, NZD USD, AUD USD. Now they have an advantage. They have an advantage of tight spreads, high liquidity, lower cost, and great for beginners. Number two is the minor pairs. Any major pair that are not combined with USD but themselves are considered minor pairs. Examples are Euro GBP, GBP JPY, AUD NZD, AUD CAD, GBP CAD, GBP Aussie or Australian dollar, etc. They also have an advantage. One of them is more volatility than major pairs, and then there are more opportunities and risks to take advantage of on minor pairs. Number three, and the last is, this is the exotic pair. Are you tired of losing trades, chasing signals, and struggling to find consistency in the Forex market? Hello, welcome. I am Joseph, the Crown Trader, with 9 years plus experience in Forex trading. I have mentored students across Africa and the entire globe, helping them trade with clarity, confidence, and profitability. At the Crown Traders Academy, we teach principles, simplicity, and profitability. This is no gimmicks, just real Forex trading education that transforms how you see and trade the market. Our complete mentorship program is valued at $1,000, but for a limited time, we are giving a whopping 80% discount. That means you pay only $200 to secure your spot and lifetime assets with the following condition to have access to our SRA trading model. Do this. Number one, click on any brokerage link in the description below and register. Number two, fund your registered account with at least $50. Number three, send a screenshot of your $200 for your mentorship and your $50 funded in your trading account via WhatsApp to be added to our global mentorship group. Join the Crown Traders Academy today, where we empower traders, transform life, build ethical wealth across Africa and the globe. Register now. Offer ends soon. See you on the other side. Blessings. In this case, when one major currency combines with smaller or emerging currency or economy like Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, Nigerian naira, Russia, Indian rupees, and the likes of them, it combined to form a single pair known as the exotic pair. So we have USD naira, you have Euro ZAR, USD Singapore dollar SGD, you have USD ZAR, that's South African rand, and then USD MXN, that's Mexican pesos. Here in the exotic pair, they have some advantages also. Okay, they have higher spreads Or they have some effects, rather, not advantages. They have higher spreads, lower liquidity, higher risks, and larger moves. In summary, major pairs are stable, minor pairs have faster moves, exotic pairs are wild. Our advice from the Crown Traders Academy is start with major pairs like Euro USD, AD USD, NZD USD, and GBP USD. Make sure to also like, subscribe, and join the Crown Traders Mentorship Program for more structured learning. Thanks for watching, and remember, we don't just trade the market, we empower traders, transform lives, build ethical wealth across Africa and the globe through principles, simplicity, and profit. See you in the next class. Blessings.